Is Sora 2 showing pre-registered on your phone but not installing? Don't worry, this is not an error. Let me explain the real truth. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech, where we share real AI tools, honest review and tech updates. Step 1. Show the problem. Many users are seeing Sora by OpenAI on Google Play, but instead of an install button, it says pre-registered or coming soon. Step 2. Is this an error? Let me be very clear. This is not an error or bug. This is a normal Google Play message. Step 3. What does pre-register mean? Pre-register means the app is not officially released yet. Google Play is just saving your spot for early access. Step 4. Why Sora 2 is not installing? Sora 2 is still in limited access. OpenAI has not released the full public version for everyone. Step 5. What will happen next? Once OpenAI officially launches Sora 2, you will get a notification. The app will automatically install, or you will see the install button. Step 6. Important warning. Please do not download fake Sora 2 APKs or cracked apps. These are unsafe and can get your account banned. Step 7. Can you use Sora 2 right now? Right now, Sora 2 is only available to selected creators and enterprises. Public users have to wait for the official release. Step 8. Alternatives. Optional section. If you want AI video tool right now, you can try Runway, Pika Labs, Lima AI. If you want a real update about Sora 2 and the AI tools, subscribe to JK Future Tech, like the video and comment should Sora 2 be free.